Hey guys, Sue from Door Dazzled here. I just wanted to come on, do a quick little video, but before I start, I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my channel, given me a thumbs up, your sweet, sweet comments. I just want you all to know that that means the world to me and encourages me to do another video, which is why I'm here tonight. A sweet friend of mine had suggested I post that one. No, she didn't suggest. She double dog dared me to put that video up. And against my better judgment, I did it anyway. And here we are. And I'm thanking you guys for your support. It means a great deal and I'm excited about it. And so let's start with another project. Tonight's project is perspective. Okay, so perspective is how we see, hear, or interpret something. And with the supplies for crafts or wreath makers, just supplies in general, seeming to be so out of touch and so hard to find right now, we try to find them wherever we can. And some people, they see stuff at the Dollar Tree and they want to buy it, but they find that maybe it's not the quality that they were looking for the project that they needed. So they end up looking in other places and sometimes shy away from the price of things just because of what it is. It's not $1, it's not $1.25. And so therefore they may not buy something that they really want. I'm here to change your perspective on all of that. So if you'll see in my hand here, there's a nice fat bouquet of florals. They're pretty, right? So how I got these is from this wreath that I bought from the at-home store for $19.99. It says 22-inch summer wreath for 20 bucks. And it's okay. It's kind of neat, whatever. But when I say perspective, it's how I looked at this. And I didn't look at it as just a 22-inch summer wreath that was $19.99. I looked at it as there is a bunch of florals on here that I could take apart and use on another project. And let's see how much it's gonna cost me. So when it's all said and done, and I pull out all of these florals, there are 16 picks on here for a total of $19.99. And those got a calculator or do the quick math. It means that each one of these sections is $1.25. You are not going to find anything like this, of this quality, at the Dollar Tree. So when I say of this quality, I mean they're nice wired picks. They're foam. They're not plastic that are falling apart. Even the little beads on the flowers aren't falling off. And everything is just standing up so perfect. And you can wire it in any direction that you want to. So don't be afraid at the $19.99 crazy looking wreath. Don't be afraid to buy it. Look at it as this right now is a crafter's dream, because look what you can do, how easy. You just take the wire and you unravel it and bang, bang, boom, you have a pick. Now, I will end up pulling all of these off of this base. And when you get done with that, taking them all off, you're gonna end up with this. Just pull it all off. You're gonna end up with 2 sections of wired wrapped, wired wrapped wire. These can be used later for other projects. I'm just gonna set them to the side because I pretty much don't throw any of this stuff away. I'll end up finding a use for it somewhere. But what we've got now is 16 beautiful picks per wreath, and they end up to be $1.25 a piece. I will come back on a part 2 and do a project with these and a sweet little bunny for Easter. Now, if you would, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. If you would put a little pink flower in the comment section so that I know that you're here, and ring that bell or click on that bell so that you'll know when I upload part 2. Have a good night, everyone.